Disclaimer, this video was not sponsored by Shopee. All my opinions are my own, and my dad, my abba, bought this ring light for me, so everything that I say in this video is 100% honest. Thumbnail. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, it's Dina here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered this on Sunday night and the seller posted it out on Monday morning, and I got it yesterday, which is Tuesday, like after school. We're gonna grab a scissor. You can do a lot with scissors, like cutting off toxic friendships and stuff. So yeah. We have two boxes. This is taped on the big box. This is a tripod stand, and then we have the actual ring light. Oh, this is huge and it's very heavy. So this is the tripod. It's really huge. I think it's just like a normal tripod where you can open it and you can make it stand just like that. The height of the tripod is adjustable, where you can like screw and unscrew it to get your desired height. Moving on to the part where I'm super excited for, which is the actual ring light. So this is the box. It has a handle on it, and then here's the back of the box. Ooh! When you open this, the first thing you see is a bag. Oh wait! Oh! Okay, so the box is empty now. So they basically put the ring light in the bag. There's two straps. This one you can carry by hand, and this one you can put it on your shoulder like that. Moving on to the actual thing. This is the orange filter. Here. I'm setting up because I'm super excited. There's 4 of it to cover the entire ring light, and it gives you like this orangey filtered out look. Then we have the white filter, and like the orange filter, this is wrapped really nicely. There's 4 of these, and this gives you a more faded out white look, I guess. I'm not sure. We're gonna try it soon. Okay, so the actual ring light. Now the bag is completely empty. So the next thing is this cable. Then here's a phone, tripod, and here's the thing where you put your camera on. I don't know what you call it. Okay, so here's the ring light. I'm going to cut this off. Here's the ring light. For me, I feel like that's too orange for me. You know, the thing about this is I can't really see the viewfinder because it's very bright and I can't really see myself. Here's the ring light with 2 orange and 2 white filter combined together. Ooh, this actually looks pretty good. Alright, so overall, I really love this ring light. I feel like it's very worth it to get it under 300 ringgit because I've seen people selling it for like 400 plus on Instagram, not including the shipping. And it's surprisingly very easy to set this ring light up, except for one thing. I feel like it's quite hard to cap this filter on the ring light. I feel like it's very hard to like cap it flatly into a circle because I don't know, it takes time. So I think that's all from me. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, if you haven't already. But if you don't want to, then I'm not gonna force you. I mean, like, I actually get it if you don't want to subscribe to me. Turn the notification bell down below so you would get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And comment something down below. If you stayed until the end of this video, comment down below the sun emoji right here. Comment down below this. And thank you for sticking by until the end of the video because I wouldn't do that if I were you. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.